Here is David from Royal Rugs and Kingston Royal Rugs. We are trying to wash the carpet to show how the Persian rug and antique rugs should be washed and should be looked after. First, we try to find out this rug is vegetable dyes, natural dyes, or synthetic. When we find out it is natural dyes or synthetic, according to that, we work with the round to wash it properly and let all the dust and dirt come out. This tool, we brought it from Iran. It's a hand done, and especially we ordered it for dusting it. Gives the pressure to the wool, the nuts, type of the nuts, and when we press it, it releases all the dirt and the dust from the foundation. We do it this way as many as time it requires. After dusting, this is the way how we wash the carpets, the handmade rugs, the antique ones. We let the water runs on it. Same carpet. This is the way it should be. It will take all the dirt and dust away from the carpet. We are going to turn the back side of the carpet. We do the same thing. We let the water run on it. Natural shampoo, no chemical. I imported from Iran and no chemical on it. Later on again we are going to do the same thing, hand wash. By hand, gentle, rub it, very requires just, we will do it gently according to the carpet. Which area is weak, we do it less pressure on it. Which area is strong, more dirt, we just press it harder. This is the way it should be. At the same time, we'll let the water run under the carpet as well, because this way it gives the pressure under the carpet. The special method, as we ordered it from Iran, I brought it from back home, from Persian. That's the proper handmade, specially they made it for the carpet. After doing this, we are going to, with the nice and gentle with the soap or the shampoo or the brush, according to the carpet, we are going to use those ones. After letting the water run on it, this is the way for shampoo or the soap, according to the carpet. Gently wash it all over the carpet, front side and back side of the carpet. Is a brush. Take the dirt off the carpet. Now we can see how the soap becomes off-white because of the dirt. Or the soap, washing it, we again let the water run on it. Takes all the soap and dirt away from the carpet. Gentle again, you wash it. Now we are taking the soap away from the carpet. We won't let anything, as soon as the clear water comes from outside the other side of the carpet, it gives a signal there is nothing left. All the dirt and soap and everything came up. And now it's nice and clean. We are trying to take the water away from the carpet, then we are going to hang it. Now it's after cleaning, we took the water away from the carpet as much as we can. We hang it in dry room. It's going to dry and it will be nice and clean. After drying, we will bring it back for 24 hours and then we will bring it after cleaning. This is the old rugs we hang over here. After drying, we will bring it here, we hang it over here. We will roll it over here, having it in the tube. Then it's going to go to the plastic bag. It's ready to go to the customer. This is the way everything, how we do it. Everything by hand. We do not use no machine at all by hand.